Hi traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly live trading room results video. Here I summary trades which are discussed in my live trading room, which I organize twice a week, once on the classic charts and one on the Renko charts. And this is part of the advanced trader program from Nikos Trading Academy. But if you sign up to my one-on-one mentorship program, you will also get access to the advanced trader program as a bonus. If you have any questions, fill this form, fill your name, email, and of course I will get back to you with all details below this. You can find, of course, my offer here with prices, free trading strategy, which I personally use, and this is what you will see on this Excel file, which I soon will show. Here is the mentoring plan example, which is for me the most important part is that we will work together with the mindset, not only with the strategy and planning, but also with mindset. And below you find videos where you can simply see a little bit where I speak about more details what we do together. Okay, so let's go to, and the link to this website you will find below in the description below this video. So how about our results? As you can see, we finally reached 30%. This type of trading, like I very often said, is a very relaxed way of trading. You don't really have to stick to the charts all day long. It's enough to check the charts twice, sometimes even 3 times per day. I decided to follow this strategy only because I know that most of you simply don't have time to trade every day, sit in front of the chart. So as you can see, most of the entries, of course, are taken on the 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart, which is very easy to follow if, of course, you have plan and you know what to do. Well, let's pay attention for October right now. Market is slow, so I didn't get really much entries. As you can see here, I will discuss all those entries here. So currently, what we have: gold, 50-minute trade, profitable. GBPUSD still running. One DAX against the main direction. To trade in the retracement didn't work out. USD Swiss franc up and running. DAX buy right now. We change approach after this losing trade. Up and running. And GP also, New Zealand dollar is running, and right now, as you see, they are black because they are still open. So whenever trade is closed, then I simply put blue as a winning trade, red as a losing trade. So let's go to the charts directly. First trade, like I said, gold. This was day trading combination, but still, if you mix 4-hour chart with 15-minute time frame, you have enough time to monitor. Yes, because you have to check the charts every 15 minutes. You can set the alerts, pending orders, so it's really not big deal in my opinion. So the idea was simple, that we had still very powerful uptrend, yes, and price retraced to the 12 EMA on the daily chart, and we had this retracement to the 36. So price make this steep long 1, 2, 3. So on the 15-minute chart, let me just draw the line. On the 15-minute time frame, we have a little bit aggressive entry. Not so easy to spot, but we had this retracement to the 12 only. As you can see, entry was here, stop loss was below the 36. First target hit, second target hit. Immediately, trend line was here. I cut the stop loss by 50% because I hoping that from that price will continue with this 4-hour chart momentum, which was built. So I didn't want to trail stop loss too fast. Unfortunately, if you pay attention, price decided to continue higher, but after this period of range and another retracement, we had another signal later on here. So you could also look for setups there. But right now, I don't analyze the market. I just want to focus on the entries. GBPUSD trade, which is running. I took this trade as against the main direction, 2 target possible weekly 36 CMA together with this trend line. idea was, of course, simple, like always, classic approach. We have trendline breakout, 4-hour chart, not this line breakout, 4-hour chart, trendline breakout. Our first goal, by the way, was daily 36 EMA. This was our goal because this was straight against the main direction. And we had first set up on the 1-hour time frame. Here we have very nice, like a textbook example, entry stop loss was above 65 pips stop loss. And because price dropped strongly on the daily chart, I decided to manage this on the 4-hour time frame. So right now, as you can see, our stop loss is here. I locked around 180 pips, so it's almost 3-1, and we wait. Yes, if price decides to retrace, we are stopped out. Okay, but it still can create this short 1 to 3 and maybe continue to push down for a bigger retracement. Of course, like you said, targets from the weekly perspective. If it finally goes up, then of course we will be changing approach and we will look for buy scenarios because price is already on the strong support zone. Okay, so this is it. USD Swiss franc, a little bit slow. This trade is quite slow. So what we have here, idea was again very simple. We had the range on the support area from the weekly perspective. As you can see, idea is still to target the weekly 36 CMA. So if we go to daily chart, we had this range, breakout of this range, give us a steep setup, but it was always good. Entry, stop loss. First target was hit here. Right now, second target is you see far away here, but this trade is still good. It's running. We have this trend line. It's a winning trade anyway, even if the second target was not hit. Why? Because stop loss was here, and I could manage my positions higher, so target was not hit, but my stop loss is here, so we have profits on both trades. Okay, so whatever price decide to do, of course we will be profitable, but question, of course, how much. Yes, if price continue, it will be better for us. If price just make bigger retracement of the daily chart, then we are stopped out, but then we of course have profits because price still make that. After this, we'll decide to continue. We will see. All looks good. DAX. First trade was against the main direction, and unfortunately, price didn't retrace, and we were stopped out. And then after this, the setup, we had another opportunity to take buys, which are now running quite nicely. Idea of the trades against the main direction was after breakout of the 12 EMA and the bigger retracement to the 36 EMA. One issue with this trade is that we don't have any levels here because price is making historical highs. So you never know if we get bigger retracement on smaller retracement. In this case, it didn't work out because price didn't retrace lower. But again, idea was very easy. Trendline breakout, first setup, after breakout. Yes, we also had a little bit of the trend line here. So basically this was the idea. Entry here, stop loss, entry here, stop loss here. Price even didn't reach this the first target. I was hoping to manage this position after another maybe try to retest this. If it won't breaks, I will close. But you see price didn't continue again down, it just broke it. But then what happened? We get another signal. Okay, so basically let me just delete everything. It doesn't work. So what happened next? We had this daily long 1 to 3. Yes, we had this daily long 1 to 3 retracement almost to the 36 EMA, as you can see. So for our chart, we had our trend line breakout, and we had this is from previous position. So I will just remove it so you won't. Yes, and we have this long 1 to 3 after trendline breakout. We have this scenario. Yeah, and I took it. I didn't take after candle close. I wanted to see that the price was going up. Two targets were hit here, and first one was here. Second one was around this zone. Stop loss was below this spike. I don't remember exactly how much it was. 1,250. Yeah, so it was entry. So it was here. That's below that, and and then I started to manage this on the 4-hour chart because momentum is here, as you can see. So it's still strongly pointing up everywhere on the weekly chart, on the monthly chart. You know, you see everything is still very, very, very strong. So that's why I hope to get bounce and still continuation. We will see. This is yeah. So this is DAX, and last is GP New Zealand, which is not moving much right now. It's still holding, but it was aggressive trade. It was not trade which I personally like much, but I think I wanted to trade something, so that's why I took this trade. Idea was we already tried once on this trade. After this, yes, weekly long 1 to 3, price didn't go down, started to range, and we had another opportunity, another looking possible, you know, long 1 to 3 with nice white candle. First target was hit on this trade. Idea was similar to the USD Swiss franc. We had this range, and after this range breakout, we had the setup. I personally prefer to have trendline breakouts like we had here, yes. And we try at this point, we try long scenarios in the September. You see, it didn't work out. This is even this trade here, as you can see, this one, 11 of September. It's, you see, it's not going up. It started to range. Looks still quite okay if you pay attention. However, this setup was steep because basically it was not like USD Swiss franc. It was quite steep setup like this big one. No entry is here, stop loss here. First target was hit here after the spike, after the news. Price now is playing around, but if GBP start to go up, which is still possible, as you remember from the GPU US dollar, this also might go up. So I will keep it. As you can see, we are around the break even. Stop loss is where it was originally, so I still haven't managed this. So now patiently we will wait, and if I can manage this, I will manage. If not, of course, if you are stopped out, we will have losing trade, which is part of the game. So in this way, in this case, you see, it's not. In this case, risking 1% here, you could achieve in right now 30.5. Trades are still running, so if we manage positions, if GP New Zealand start to run in our favor, we will get even better results. Yeah, and again, I just want to show you that you don't have really, if you stick to the easy trading plan, you don't have to do much and you still can make profits. Of course, it's all about your expectations. So for some of you, 30%, you will say it's not enough because I want to make it monthly. Let's say such results. Okay, but then you have to risk more, you need to trade more, you need to sit in front of the charts more. So here I just want to show you that with not much time consuming, you can steadily grow your account, build confidence, build confidence in not only execution the trades but also in analysis. Follow one or two things without rush, without hurry, and just practice. Just only one approach, which long term always benefit. Okay. So again, I would like to invite you to visit my one-on-one mentorship program. Link to this website you will find below. Of course, you have, if you have any questions, fill this form, leave your name, email, contact me so we can speak, and I will see how can I help you. The idea of this program is to really prepare you to trade exactly like I showed you. Of course, during the technical part, I will show you all kind of the strategies: scalping, day trading, and of course swing trading. We will plan everything, so you will know how to make trading plan and why this is important to make trading plan, trading journal statistics, manual statistics like I do here, because then you are more aware of your actions, at least when you start. And a very important part, which is the most important part in trading, is mindset. You will get a simple technique to deal with emotions. You will understand why you have to deal with the emotions and why you should listen to them, because they are your guidance to the obstacles, together with finding limiting beliefs about yourself, about trading, about risk, about money. Everything here is very simple. You don't need to have a special preparation. The thing is that it's new for you, so you need to gain some experience, but I will help you to guide you, so you will not have to deal with this by yourself. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, leave the comment or just contact me, and hear you soon. Bye.